Now we are going to see the products object and its records. The product object in Salesforce represents the products and services offered by your organization. A product records, like just go to the products, see is there any records or not. Yeah, so these are the records, product records. So a product record can include individual items, group of products and services in any combination. You can add product records to opportunities and to help generate visibility and demand reports for management. Products are typically shared with resellers and distributors via the Salesforce to Salesforce data sharing options. Data sharing helps keep partners aware of new product options and updated prices. Now try to create a one product. So click on new. So enter the name of the product. I'm gonna take a name of Tesco milk cartons. So you can give the product code if you have any product code over there, and check is there any mandatory fields left. So we just give the name of the product and product code, and if you want you can give the description of the product also. Then click on activate. Then after click on save. Now we have to add prices to the product. So how can we add? If you click on related, there you can see the price books. So if we click on add standard price, then you can see a pop-up window. There you can enter the price. Then click on save. Here we must add products to price books to make them available to opportunities. Many Salesforce customers use price books to record list pricing for a calendar year or define different prices for wholesalers, distributors, and other customers with optional minimum orders. Companies that change prices every year can benefit from creating new price books each year. This is more convenient than changing individual prices and also maintains a historical record of price changes. That's it.